Hi friends, welcome to Poorna Grahini channel. Today we'll be seeing the recipe of KAARA KUZHI PANIYARAM, which is a spicy recipe. It can be had for breakfast or as an evening snack. To prepare the batter for this recipe, you need to soak 1 cup of boiled rice, 3/4 cup of raw rice and 1/4 cup of urad dal or black gram along with half a teaspoon of methi or fenugreek seeds in water for 3 hours. Strain off the water after 3 hours, add the soaked rice, dal and methi seeds in a grinder, add 2 cups of water, grind it for 15 minutes into a smooth paste. Collect this in a vessel and leave it covered in a cool place for 4 hours. Heat oil in a kadai or wok. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of split urad dal, 1 teaspoon of chana dal and 2 teaspoons of fried gram one by one and saute well. Then add 2 finely chopped green chilies and a few curry leaves. Saute again and add 1 medium sized chopped onion and saute well. Add 3 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut and saute well. Now add the sauteed mixture to the batter that you have prepared already. You may add water depending on the consistency of the batter. Ideally, it should be a batter of pouring consistency. Heat oil in the slots of the KUZHI PANIYARAM pan. Pour the prepared batter with the help of a ladle in each of the slot. Do not fill the slot till the brim. Cook covered with the lid for 1 to 2 minutes. Once it's cooked, flip over and cook on the other side as well. Once it becomes crispy, remove and serve with an accompaniment of your choice. Please do try this recipe and enjoy the art of cooking. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to Poorna Grahini channel.